Oh, hi there. I didn't see you. My name's Adam, and welcome to Seattle, Washington. We're here on the Norwegian Joy, and we're about to go on a 10-day adventure to Alaska. It's a beautiful sunny day, but I'm here to see some glaciers and some bears. I am married to one who's holding the camera, but I want to see some other bears in the wilderness, you know? So come along with me. Bon voyage. I said bon voyage, let's go. Are you looking at me still? That's weird. Don't stare at me. Stop it. You know I don't like to be looked at. Hey. Oh, Norwegian Joy. Oh. Look, there she is. Miss America. Just kidding, it's the Norwegian Joy. We're gonna be on her for the next 10 days. Okay, it's time to check in. Okay. I don't know what was happening here at Pier 66, but I really didn't have any idea where to go for the most part during the embarkation. They had us going over to fill out forms last minute, and then they split us up in different lines, and no one had a pen to fill out the forms. It was just it felt very disorganized. We were in and out within 30 minutes, but it was still chaotic. Look, so close. Just a few more steps, and then it's vacation. Smells like the Red Lobster. Do yourself a favor, don't be dumb when you walk on the ship like I was. All you need to do is find a crew member and they're gonna help you find your muster station. I made it so much more complicated than it needed to be. I think it's because I was still thrown off by the embarkation process. At the end of the day, this is so much easier than the old muster drills. Hi. So if you need help, just ask for it. Clearly I need help on this trip already. Look at this chandelier, you guys. Oh, I've been here before. I've done some dance numbers in this room. Okay. It's important when you first get on the ship to make your reservations for your dinners throughout the week because they will sell out. Selena? Okay, so we booked a restaurant. I guess we had 4 included with our cruise. I thought we only had 2, so we're gonna have 4 different delicious adventures on this trip. Barney's just getting a drink right now. So I guess I would say our vacation has officially started. Yum. I love cruise art. My favorite kind of art.
And places I was Yep, as long as
On deck 6, you'll find 2 of the 3 complimentary dining rooms, Taste and Savor, and they do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. We're just at lunch now. We're at Savor. Taste. It's the same thing. There's 2 restaurants across from each other. They have different names, but I'll let you in on a secret. It's the same restaurant, okay? Barney, show everyone your little Pinot Grigio. Oh no, it's following me. No matter where I go. Help. What? There you are.
No.
Show them your wine.
Look at my wine.
Look at your wine. Oh God, it's looking at me. Help. Wait.
It's your favorite thing.
Oh, there you go. This camera's obsessed with me. Cheers. Is it a buttery smooth finish?
Love a Pinot Grigio. It's the first kind of wine I fell in love with.
Wow. Speaking of falling in love with, I'm falling in love with this fan I got because I'm literally sweating my, whoa, sorry, I can't say that on a cruise video. Hi, welcome back to me. This is the Philly cheesesteak. Oh, shit. Oh, I mean, shoot. This is, yum. Let's try it. Yum. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just take a bite of this Philly cheese. I like it. This hoagie's nice and crispy. The meat is nice and mushy. It tastes like it's from a can, and I like that. I can't say any of this, or I'll never be invited back on the ship. It doesn't taste like seafood at all. Barney, do you like the fish and chips you got?
Yeah, it's good.
You know, I prefer doing this in the buffet when you first get off the ship, you know. It's just more relaxing.
It's more low key. It's quieter. Less chaotic.
Look at this. It's like a flan, caramel flan. And let's see what this is on top. Is this coconut or something? Oh no, it's probably phyllo dough. Let's check. Let's check with our mouths and not with our eyes. Our mouths will never lie to us. Let's test it. Here we go.
It's nice and light.
It's got red, white, and blue going on. Let me see.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brandon, your assistant cruise director, with an update regarding your staterooms. And remember, it's different out there.
What did he say? It's different out there?
Different out there.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
It sounds like a tagline for my channel. Look, it's like a light flan.
When news is happening, I'll be here.
That's quite enough. This is what I call a delicious destination. My mouth. You know, Seattle is just a very beautiful city. On the water, gorgeous. We have a photo standing right here from 7 years ago. And now we're doing it again. Isn't that marvelous? Okay, our cabin's ready, so let's go check it out. Let's see our little room. What a little cutie. Let's get these curtains open. So precious. We even have two little twin beds like we're Ricky and Lucy. You know? Well, first things first. Oh my God. Get some air in here. I know it's Alaska, but I need to feel like I'm in an iceberg when I'm in my room. Oh, hi. I'm so excited to have a balcony. You don't even know. On an Alaskan cruise? Oh my gosh. How lovely. Yay. Okay, every cabin has a mini fridge. Oh, there's some outlets. Are there any by the beds? Oh, I like that there's not a curtain. There's just glass. Fantastic. Yeah. Just a lot of storage, a lot of shelves. Handy clothesline for drying things. This is also a good place to steam your clothes before you go to dinner if you don't have any fabric spray. Yes. A very lovely room. I can be here for 10 days. This is going to be fantastic. This is perfect for 10 days. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun relaxing. Ahoy. Ahoy there, mateys. You guys, I really love porting out of Seattle because you're just like right here in the city, you know? Look at the city. It's just like right there. It's just touching the boat. Oh, shit. Don't ever call it a boat. So we're just about to set sail. The sail away party is going on right now outside. I'm just hanging out here in the Garden Cafe, which is the buffet. It's quite a big buffet. It's not started yet, but I will show you the buffet later on this week. Hey, we've officially set sail. Yeah, cruise ship set sail. There's no sails on it, but it set sail. Oh, I forgot to show you. Did I show them my nails before Did I show you guys my Alaska nails? Look, let me flip it around. Can you see it? Let's see. There we go. Can they? Look. They're the Northern Lights. Huh? You like that? Look at this. Look at this beautiful view. There we go. Isn't that magnificent? The scenery is changing. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of excitement out here tonight. I think I'll have a bag. You need a watch? I see you in this. Okay, we're gonna go to dinner at the Manhattan. Yeah? The Manhattan? Hi. Thanks. Good morning. Good night. I just said good morning. Oh my god. Look how cute this is. It's like an Art Deco dream, you know? Oh, right by the window. Oh, thank you. Are you hungry? I'm hungry. You know? There's chicken piccata, the mahi-mahi. I'll just have one mahi. I'm not that hungry right now. Sauteed shrimp scampi and the vegetable burrito. No. Creme brulee. Yes. I'll have the creme brulee for dinner. The herb roasted rotisserie chicken. I don't know why I have so much nausea tonight, you guys. I'm telling everyone at home how sick I am. And I am a professional, you know. It's not like me. So I need a ginger ale. No offense. This is the shrimp cake. It's a cake made of shrimp. And Barney has the French onion. Cheers. Oh, the movement.
Turn the ship on.
Oh my God, the ship is going. It's going, you know? It's very, very busy, right? It's very busy on the ocean. Because Mama's stomach is not great today, I just decided a simple rotisserie chicken with some mash and gravy. That seems safe, you know? I can smell the demi-glace on it and it smells delicious. It's like a... I'm trying not to projectile vomit right now. Let's try this. Their rotisserie chickens are always good on Norwegian. I don't know what it is. It's much better than Costco.
Nice.
And it tastes like there's like some soy sauce in the gravy. It's got very good flavor. It's like a wine reduction. I can't get carried away because it tastes good, but it doesn't mean I should be eating it. You know? Ooh, what? It's really good, yeah, thank you. The ship is swaying back and forth. It's really good for me. I love it. Well, the Manhattan dining room here has a lovely selection of food. It changes, you know, throughout the cruise, and it's a nice place to just go get something other than a specialty dining experience or the buffet. But I like this dining room the most because it gives me the Queen Mary vibes. And a fun fact, and I've told this before, but if you are ever on your deck and can't figure out how to get to your rooms, look for the fish. They will always swim forward on the ship, and behind them is aft. It really does help a lot. So try it the next time you're on a ship. With Norwegian, that is. Well, I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but somebody's very seasick on the first night of this cruise. So I'm gonna hit the sack, but come back tomorrow because we are gonna have a fun day at sea. I'm gonna show you what I like to do on a sea day. If you like cruise videos as well as travel and food, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and come back weekly because we have dozens more videos coming from Alaska, so you don't want to miss out. Thanks for joining me today, y'all. We'll see you soon. Until then, keep it weird.